Next stop, Water Orton station.
Yeah, it's like I can never turn up to this place on a train. I think every time that I've actually filmed here at the desolate place that we all love, I don't think I've once turned up here on a train. Every time it's either been via bus or on foot. And this time, yeah, it's no different. Right, enough of me waffling, let's get to it. And I mean, it's small victories for me as well coming here, because I've been trying to for about 3 weeks, and every time either cross country go on strike or there's nothing worth seeing. But today I've struck luck. That was difficult to say for some reason. Yeah, we're actually looking quite good for this one. And even better, 221122 isn't in the region. It's down in Devon, so it won't be bothering me. So, let's get going. I've got an umbrella. Right, let's kick off at Water Orton with 173.97, passing with 1 Lima 38 for cross country. Passing 1 minute late from Birmingham New Street through to Peterborough. Fun and standing, isn't that a surprise? Okay, next we will see. Christ, my umbrella's nearly getting blown away here. Passing with the first freight of the session, we should see, I would guess, DR73937 working 3 Sierra O2 from Kings Norton OT Plant Depot to Kings Norton OT Plant Depot. DR98970. Passing next for cross country will be 170.110 working 1 Golf 22. Passing 4 minutes late from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street. Okay, we've actually got another fast action first. Passing there 49 minutes early for Great Western Railway was 166.105 working 5Q25 from Reading Train Care Depot to Doncaster Works Wagon Shops. And passing next should be the previously mentioned 1 Golf 22, which of course is 170.110 from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street, passing now 5 minutes late. Passing next, we should see for GBRF the pass of 66.712 working 4 Sierra 57, passing 3 minutes late from Hams Hall GBRF to Moss End Euro Terminal GBRF. Passing next for cross country, we should see 221 108, working 1 Victor 52, passing 4 minutes late from Leeds to Penzance. Passing next for cross country will be 171.11, working 1 Mike 60, passing 6 minutes late from Cardiff Central through to Nottingham. Also passing for cross country, we should see 170.637, working 1 kilo 13, passing 1 minute early from Birmingham New Street to Leicester. Can't remember if I've already mentioned this. Dependent on head code, yes I have. Here's 1 kilo 13 arriving in. Oh no, it's not, he's passing. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, right, I've got this sorted now. Passing next for cross country, we'll see the crossover of 170. I say this every time, the signal out here is horrific. So, arriving will be 176.23, working 1 Papa 12 in the delayed 12 o'clock cross-country service from Leicester to Birmingham New Street, arriving in at 12:06. And passing alongside it, we should see 170.111, working 1 Mike 60, passing 6 minutes late from Cardiff Central to Nottingham. We got there in the end. And this departs out 5 minutes late, bound for New Street and New Street only. Okay, passing with the next freight action of the session, we should see 66.119 and 66.169, passing 3 minutes late with 3 Juliet 01 from Kingston Orton OT Plant Depot to Bletchley. Actually, passing first for cross country, we'll see. Where's he gone? Oh no, he's already passed, I think. Let's have a look. I'm just a bit confused with what the map's showing me. No, it's not, there it is. Okay, so that was 170. Didn't get the number, let me have a quick look. So that was 170. Come on, real time load. $170,105 working 1 Victor 08, passing 3 minutes late from Nottingham to Cardiff Central. And if I'm not wrong, next stop will be 66119 and 66169. Christ, I'm losing my umbrella here. Working 3 Juliet 01 from Kings Norton O2 Plant Depot to Bletchley. I'm going inside. Yeah, they come, I can see them down at the end. Passing there very unexpectedly was 70011. Not the first time I've seen that unit recently. As it worked. 6 Hotel 12. Also FLHH to Dowlow Quarry FLHH. And just to remind, it was 70010 with an aggregates load. Okay, next up we should see pass of 220. Let's have a look. Two 22136 working 1 Sierra 43, passing 17 minutes late from Plymouth to Leeds. Passing next for cross country is 170-107, passing with 1 November 49 from Peterborough to Birmingham New Street, 3 minutes late. Here's 1 Sierra 43. Passing next for cross country, we should see 170, 107 working one. No, that's not it. I don't think. No, that is the wrong one. Passing next for cross country, we will see 176.23 working 1 Lima 40, passing 7 minutes late from Birmingham New Street to Peterborough. And that is passing on the main line platform. If you just look down there, you can see it coming. Passing fast on his heels is 171.17, working 1 Golf 2-4, passing 2 minutes late from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street. Here's 1 Golf 2-4. Well, that was a good tone. Next to pass for cross country, we should see 220.009 and 220.022. Working 1 Victor 5-4, passing 1 minute late from Leeds to Plymouth. Okay then, here comes 1 Victor 5-4. Okay, so just to bring up to date, if real time wants to load, whole reason I didn't get to do oh, diamond. Yeah, whole reason I didn't get to mention that in the first place. So passing us just there was 170.620, passing 8 minutes late with 1 Mike 9-4 from Cardiff Central to Nottingham. Next up, we will see the arrival, the pass of 170.622, passing 5 minutes late with 1 Papa 1-4 from Leicester to Birmingham New Street. And arriving in next 8 minutes late for cross country is 170.107, working 1 Kilo 15, arriving 8 minutes late from Birmingham New Street through to Leicester. Okay, next up we should see 170.621. Passes working 1 Victor 09 from Nottingham to Cardiff Central. Next, I don't know if that is actually turbo dimensioned. Yes it is, that will be next. first freight for what feels like an eternity, we'll see the pass of unnumbered logo working for Victor 38, passing 6 minutes late from Daventry DRS Tesco to Wentloog Freightliners. 66,426. Okay, passing next for cross country will be the return of 170-117. As this time it works 1 Delta 63, passing 2 minutes late from Birmingham New Street up to Nottingham. Passing first is the return of the Railhead treatment train, working 3 Sierra 02 from Kings Norton OT Plant Depot to Kings Norton OT Plant Depot. And I can see 170-117 flying around the corner as well. DR98970 again. Next to pass for cross country should be 221134, working 1 Sierra 45, passing through 29 minutes late from Plymouth to Leeds. Okay then, and given bus times, I'm not waiting for this Voyager, and passing with the final action of a really good session at Water Orton, we will see, yeah there it is, 176.22, passing 1 minute late, working 1 Lima 42 from Birmingham New Street through to Peterborough. Now that has passed, I'm going to go and get in the warmth for a bit. I've spent nearly 2.5 hours at Water Orton in the cold. That is a good session at Water Orton.